it's time for some Cybertruck maintenance. First things first, pop open the hood or the frunk, whatever you want to call it. Find the middle, and then go slightly up. You'll feel the button and press straight in, just like that. Pop it open. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to the passenger side here. You can see this. All right, let's go grab some washer fluid. Okay, so I'm gonna show you here. Let me go further here. Okay. All right, let me get the washer fluid bottle, and I'll be back. All right, Tesla recommends the regular blue stuff with no like rain repellent or anything like that. But here I'm traveling around the US, it's below freezing, so we got this -20 Fahrenheit stuff, and I used Rain-X on the windshield. It actually works well, so we got the Rain-X stuff. Like, I used the actual Rain-X, not the washer fluid type. Okay, so obviously first thing you gotta do is open that. You got this seal here, so you can puncture it. Like, Tesla doesn't use a key anymore, so usually people in the past would puncture this with a key, but with the Cybertruck you have the corner of your vehicle here. Just do that. You can see, pops it open. Make sure to pull all the stuff out of the way so that you have the full opening. Okay, then we're just gonna go over here. All right. Okay, you need to see the bottom. Then you have this little cap. There's some debris here. We're gonna throw that away. Okay, just pop this open just like that. All right, we're gonna pull this out of the way. If you want, you can get a funnel to make it easier. If you don't have one, then you're just gonna end up either spilling everywhere or, yeah, just be careful. All right, so we're gonna go over here. You kind of start it below the front to make it a little bit easier, and then just slowly tilt it, and oop, we spilled a little, and then there we go. And we'll just continue tilting it until we pour it all in. So it gives you a washer fluid low warning on the screen. I probably should have showed that first so you could see, but basically it will tell you your washer fluid's low, and then you can just pour this all in there. Okay, so this reservoir should be able to hold like the full gallon. Okay, just pour it all in. Sorry if I'm not getting it in view, but yeah, just pour it all in. Oops, I did spill some. Alright, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Close the lid, it clicks into place. There you go. They actually have a little hole for the runoff, so if you do spill it out, it's okay. You see? There's a little hole there, it'll just spill out into there. And that's pretty much it. Just close the frunk, the hood, whatever you want to call it, and your maintenance is complete. If it pops open again, then you have to push down by hand. Anyways, there you go. All right, hopefully this helped you guys. Somehow it helped like a lot of people on the Model Y. Hopefully it will help people with the Cybertruck. Very simple maintenance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.